Make a great choice today with
The 2023 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.